Hello, my name is Jason, and I'm going to stalk my brother. What an idiot!
Nice to finally be home.
What an idiot!
Hey, it's my nerf gun. Never know when you could use that. Bodyguard. Oh, man. Dude, you wrecked my bodyguard.
Ah! Dude, that's a Nerf gun, you retard.
Yeah, what now?
That's a Nerf gun, you retard.
Oh, yeah, I killed you with it.
God, he's such an idiot.
Okay, why are you stalking me?
I already did it to your mother and father and your whole family.
What the heck, dude?
No, I stabbed them, just like I'm gonna do to you.
Oh, okay.
God, he's such a retard.
Well, don't you want to, hang out for a little bit?
Well, what the heck? I mean, I got time to spare because I'm gonna murder your other cousins.
Okay, come on. Let's have a snack before you kill me.
Can I have Doritos? You know, I at least love those chips. They're so fun to eat.
Fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
No! No!
No! Okay.
Give me some Doritos!
Okay.
I'm gonna kill you. You know I got a machete.
Anger management, kid.
Shut up!
We don't have...
No!
Okay.
Get some!
This is right here. It's right here.
Great, so let's go downstairs and watch some...
Do you want any sauce?
No!
Okay.
Go downstairs!
Okay. Would you like a soda?
No!
Oh my god. Really? You stabbed his head open, dude.
Yeah, he's a retard. Oops.
Let's listen to some good music. You want here's the Doritos.
Thank you. Can we listen to...
Yeah, whatever you want.
No, I get the type.
Okay, here you go.
I
okay.
typey.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry, No! I'm sorry, dude. Holy crap.
Shut
Okay, you can turn that off.
No.
Turn the crap off.
I love it. Turn it.
Okay.
No,
what do you
hey.
What do you want to watch?
I want to watch... Oh, what's it called?
What do you want to watch?
No Hands.
Okay.
Such a great song. And no, I'm not a rapper, but I wish to be someday.
Okay, put the camera on me.
Shut up!
Oh my god.
I might kill you.
Love Waka Flocka Flames.
Yes, that duty.
That dude. Call him Duty.
He's my friend to me.
You mean friend enemy?
No, he's my friend. And then he's a denemy.
Oh, I hate these freaking commercials.
They're the gayest things ever made.
Okay.
That's right, all you guys out to YouTube, stop advertising crap.
Okay, dude, actually, watch the video. Seriously. Waka Flocka Flame.
Shut up.
Oh my god. Get away from me.
Shut up!
I'm sorry.
Only ice in here. Come on.
Got him.
Get out of the video! Oh, like we do it. No one say ya. Yeah.
God, this is...
That was so funny. I stuck the him. Let's beat him with a guitar. That was funny. Que wanna be?
Okay.
You know what? I'm done. Let's just kill him and eat my Doritos.
No.
Slowly but painfully.
Ow.
Good music to die.
Bodyguard, help them.
Yay, now I'm gonna kill Chippy. Where is he? Where's Chippy?
I don't know. He's just hanging out somewhere, okay? He's just...
If we don't find Chippy, I'm gonna kill you for real.
Okay, put the camera on me. Oh, yeah. You look at me. Oh, my back. Oh, ow.
Bad boy, show me where Chippy is.
Oh, no. I don't know. You might not. I don't know.
Show me Chippy.
Oh, he's upstairs. Okay?
Show me Chippy.
Okay. Hey, baby.
Oh, dang, that was a terrible picture. I just had it on his butthole.
Okay, he's Chippy.
Put him down. Set him down.
No. Don't do it.
Set him down.
Help me, you. Oh.
Give me the...
Oh.
Subscribe, right?